Let's follow this tutorial about navigation as an example. It tells us to first create a new page and then link a button to it, so let's do that. To create a page, you can do it from the top bar and then clicking on a new page and filling the required data. Okay, now let's click on the button, and in the right panel, let's add the URL of the page you just created. Now let's test our app. To test your apps, you can create a custom Webcat URL, or you can also connect a custom domain. You can enter any subdomain that isn't being used by another project for your Webcat domain. Now, as you can see, our website is live. And as you can see, the working link to the page we just created is also working. It's important to know that once your canvas is connected to a domain, it's in real-time mode, which means that every change you make will be shown live on your domain. So, for example, if we make changes to the button we just linked, our changes will be propagated in real time to your website. If you prefer to have more control over publishing pages, you can also create and publish versions from the Publish panel. So, once you publish a version, your changes won't be seen live.